Well, there's the van. Still running, still there. Only gets used when needed for side jobs. And the main purpose of this video, it goes to Geo Metro. Cold morning, 54 degrees Fahrenheit. See, morning dew, I think it's called, on the car. Painted the rims last month. It's missing some of the center caps. Got lost somewhere in the somewhere while driving it. Getting chills. Cold. Yep. Metro is still running. I'm gonna turn it on. Still got one center cap left. One that's still hanging on. Keys. Here it is. Yep, the good old Metro. Whoa. Seats are cold. Alright, the key. Let's show you how many miles it has. It has 157,011 miles. I guess the 9 is 0.9, I think. So yeah, start up the car. Put it in neutral. Put the clutch in. That if you don't put the clutch in, it will not turn on. Let's put the clutch in and start. Starts like new at 157,000 miles. And that is the results of good maintenance and a good engine also. So yeah, the Metro, 157,000 miles and still running. Others say it only lasts 100,000 miles. Well, this one has done 56 extra thousand miles than what others predict the engine will last. Goes to show you, Suzuki engines are strong. No problems, no side effects on the engine, nothing. Just runs like new, runs like it should. Transmission is good. Everything mechanically is perfect. Well, I wouldn't say perfect, but you know, running like new conditions. It's not perfect since it has 156,000 miles, but yeah, it runs like new. Runs the way it should, no problems at all. Just wish it had a little bit more than 55 horsepower. Oh yeah, and about that, I've been looking at a website that a friend in Car Domain showed me that sells 3-cylinder performance parts for Suzuki Swift and the Geo Metro. It sells 1.0 liter 3-cylinder and 1.3, 1.6, which is 1.3 is Geo Metro and Swift, and 1.6 is Swift only, I think. So yeah, I'm checking some of the the cheap performance add-ons like the underdrive pulley and that sort of stuff. Yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna do that because money's kind of tight. Money has been tight for a while now, and that might be a few months from now, maybe even a year from now. I don't know. Let's see what goes on. Yep, runs good, idle's good. Everything's good. See the headlights. Yep. Good wipers. Let's take a look under the hood. So your exhaust, nice and clean, no smoke at all, just some little bit of vapors, that's about it from the cold. Can't even see it on camera. And yeah, look, that license plate lights. Yep. Oh, let me turn the heater on so I can start defogging everything. That's a good heater also for a 3-cylinder. Open the hood. Engine runs good. No weird noises besides the noises that 3-cylinder engine makes. Everything's running good. No more squeaking ever since it got fixed. So yeah, that's all good. Holy crap, I wonder how many miles this thing had ridden without that on. Whoa. I'm just glad I didn't lose that thing and not. Yeah. Always double check before closing the hood. You don't want to lose any parts. I'm just lucky that thing was held on there good. Yeah, it's running good, running like the way it should. Can't rev it too high since the engine is so cold. Probably revved it up to 2000 RPM, I think, or 2500. The idle on this engine is 850 RPM. Suzuki engine, Suzuki Motor Corporation, 1.0 liter, 55 horsepower, 3-cylinder engine. Yep. Has 55 horsepower and 58 foot-pounds of torque. On a lightweight body for the engine, 5-speed. Yep, everything's good. Everything's the way it should. Here's a stock exhaust note. Good catalytic, whoops. Yeah, now I just smudged the clear water with the carbon. So that kind of ruined the effect. Well, it has good catalytic converter. See? Clear vapors, clear water coming out. Nothing green, nothing yucky, just clear water, vapors. So it has a good catalytic converter. Here the defrosters are already starting to work. See the lines. Yeah, it's a good car overall. Everything works the way it should, everything is the way it should. Hasn't been modified in any way except for a little paint on the rims. Yeah, good running cars, Geo Metros, under the right hands. Actually, any car could run for a very long time under the right hands. Alright, so this is the end of the video. See ya.